Lesson 1. Simple Birthday Story. This book aims to teach children about the months of the year. The book also teaches children how to ask someone when their birthday is and how to answer. The book has a voice recording to help your child correctly pronounce the words and read the sentences. Finally, the book helps children learn animal names. Key vocabulary. Your child should be able to say and use the following words: your, my, when, is, birthday, in. Tests and games. At the end of the book, there are tests and games designed to help your child practice and remember the words and months in a fun and enjoyable way. Hello, Rabbit. When is your birthday? My birthday is in January. Hello, Elephant. When is your birthday? My birthday is in February. Hello, Snake. When is your birthday? My birthday is in March. Hello, Horse. When is your birthday? My birthday is in April. Hello, Sheep. When is your birthday? My birthday is in May. Hello, Monkey. When is your birthday? My birthday is in June. Hello, Chicken. When is your birthday? My birthday is in July. Hello, Dog. When is your birthday? My birthday is in August. Hello, Pig. When is your birthday? My birthday is in September. Hello, Rat. When is your birthday? My birthday is in October. Hello, Cow. When is your birthday? My birthday is in November. Hello, Tiger. When is your birthday? My birthday is in December.